Alright, we got a Galaxy Watch 3 here in front of us, and we will be replacing the motherboard on this unit. So we can go ahead and turn the device over. We're going to get a cotton swab with some alcohol, just put it on the four corners where the screws are. This is just to help with, if you've been wearing your watch for a while, if there's junk accumulated where the screws are, it just helps the screws come out easier. Alright, we're going to take our Y 2.0 screwdriver, 2mm. We'll go ahead and unscrew the four screws. Alright, next we're going to get our pry tool. As you can see, I bent it a little bit off to the side, and that's to help us with not damaging the seal around. So with the bent side pointing downwards, we're going to get in here off to the side and just angle it down, so we're going to get underneath the gasket seal. Alright, and then we're just going to pry up a little bit. We can go ahead and get that open. Off to the side. We can disconnect our connection here for the heart rate sensor. Alright, as you can see, there's no damage to the seal here. If you do damage it, you'll need some adhesive. We sell some adhesive that you guys could use, and just make sure that you guys have proper seal when sealing it back up. So we can set this aside. Now we're going to go ahead and disconnect these three connections here. Now we got one screw here that we're going to go ahead and take out. Alright, and the board should just come out with these. Now we're going to go get our replacement part. Here's our replacement board. Go ahead and set it in. As you can see, there's a few guides here that you can see where to place it down. You can just set it in. We're going to go ahead and put the screw back. We're going to set these three connections back into place. This is for the screen. Got buttons, battery. Battery connects on the back. Alright, now all we got left to do is to put the back cover back on. Make sure that where the seal goes, it's all clean all around. Usually if you wear your watch, you can have some buildup on the side, so you might want to clean that out, and as well as make sure this seal is clean, so then you can create a proper seal. We're going to go ahead and make the connection for the heart rate sensor. There we go. Now we're going to go ahead and put back the four screws. And there we go. That's how you replace the motherboard on a Galaxy Watch 3.